Everybody, Happy New Year. One of my resolutions was to get back to making these guitar tutorials, so I'm gonna do a very easy one today. Go Penn State, by the way, big win last night for the Nittany Lions. Gonna do the song Blue Tacoma by Russell Dickerson. And it's interesting, I don't want to do it all in one video, but it's the same chord progression as a lot of country songs are, a lot of pop country songs are. But he has another hit song called Yours that's the same chord progression, but the capo's on the 4th instead of the 2nd. So for this song, the capo is on the 2nd fret. And it's a very simple progression, a C add 9 up to a G, up to an E minor. When I play the E minor, through all these chords, I have the B string and the high E on the 3rd fret, relative to the capo, of course, 5th fret. But yeah, C add 9 up to G, the E minor, again, keeping the high strings on the 3rd fret. And then lastly, you can play a D with it. I actually play, I guess it's kind of like a D minor, which is basically just, again, keeping these same 2 strings, your B and high E on the 3rd fret, and then just having your pointer on the G string on the 2nd fret. So a little modified D, but so that's the whole progression. And I do a little hammer on before I come back to repeat the pattern, but that's the entire song, so it's a very easy song to play. So wheels rolling on an old Toyota, twist top on a sun-kissed soda, your brown hair in the West Coast wind. If heaven is anywhere, 90s hits at the top of our lungs, shuffling in on Still the One, missing turns cause that's our song. If heaven is anywhere, it's in it. Same thing for the chorus. I'll sing the chords out for the chorus. It's in a C, G, E minor, D, C, G, E minor, D. Never running out of golden road, and always having your hand to hold in a blue Tacoma, California. If heaven is anywhere, it's right here. And then so, go through it again. So I do that little hammer on before we come back to the C, E, D, and then. So, and I mean, that's really it. Then he's back to this. Red sun melting to the black top, dollar shades from a nowhere truck stop, your kiss and that coastline. If heaven is anywhere, pull it over to the shoulder, take it in, ooh, and pull you closer, loving you longer than I ever did, the places we knew. And this song doesn't have a bridge, so it's a super easy one to play, and it's one that, because it doesn't deviate off that chord structure at all, that's very easy to just have memorized. That's why it's one I want to start making more videos, and this is one that I don't have to like go through the chords and kind of, because I got to know it by memory before I make a video of it. So this is one I've had in the memory bank for a long time because of how easy it is. I'll make a separate video for it, but again, just to show you kind of how easy it is to play a lot of these songs. You take this capo and you move it from the 2nd to the 4th, and his song Yours is that same progression. C add 9, G, E minor to that D. I actually do play this one with a standard D, but I was a boat stuck in a bottle, never got the chance to touch the sea. You can do this. You can do that same thing too. So it's like this, you know. I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. But thank God I'm yours. So a couple of Russell Dickerson songs there. Maybe I won't make a video for Yours because that's it. Same thing. That song doesn't have a bridge either. So hope you enjoyed.